Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Inkim, and if this is your first time seeing my face, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So join me by subscribing and turn on your post notification. So the wig I'm trying today is from Luvmehair. This is their body wave unit. They also sent alongside this wig a press on nails, a pair of lashes, earrings, and a comb. These are the things you are going to get when you order for this wig. I'm going to leave the link to this hair in the description box for you guys. For the hairline, it came pre-plucked and the lace net is already bleached, which you don't really have to do any work when you get this wig. And the lace is an undetectable lace. Also, the quality of this hair is top notch, guys. The quality of this hair is good, which you guys are going to be seeing in this video. So let me just go ahead and install this wig and show you guys everything I'm saying. For this installation, I'm using the got2b glue, and I'm just going to cut the lace net at the front before I start installing this wig.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river, makes me wanna leave this place a room. Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? 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 Knew that it was true from the way you looked at me. At me. Don't know what to do, what to say to make you leave with me. Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? 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 Make me feel alive. Take my hand and run, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun. Don't you think we're done? I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling. I know where we can go, where the sunrise lasts forever. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me.
So yeah guys, this is the final look of this wig. Quality good, the lace is good, like everything about this wig is good. So let me know in the comment section what your take on this wig is. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you've not subscribed already, turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time I put out a new video. Also give me a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.